Frustrated with a forgotten iCloud password? Watch this video to learn how to find, change, and recover your iCloud password easily. Before changing, try finding your iCloud password through these simple methods, saving you time and effort. Option 1. Find iCloud password in Settings. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on Passwords. Enter the password screen with Face ID or passcode. Pick a website in the list and press on it. Touch on the password to see it. Option 2. Find iCloud password in browser. Enter a browser and click the three dots in the top right corner. Select Autofill and Passwords in the left sidebar and choose Google Password Manager to pick a website where you may have used the Apple ID password before. Type your Windows password to check the password in it. If you're unable to find your iCloud password, follow these steps to reset it and regain access. Method 1. Change iCloud password in Settings. Enter Settings. Press Apple ID greater than Sign In and Security. Then tap on Change Password. Input the passcode of your iPhone. Set a new password and verify it again. Method 2. Change iCloud password at iforgo.apple.com. Go to iforgo.apple.com in a browser. In the text box, enter your iCloud email address. Method 3. Change iCloud password via recovery key or recovery contact. Run Settings and tap your name. Under Apple ID, press Sign In and Security. Choose and send a text to a recovery contact. Type the recovery code he or she received. Or use a recovery key to regain your iCloud password. Method 4. Use a tool to remove the previous iCloud account. If you've tried the above methods but they are not working for you, you can consider MagFone Activation Unlocker, an authoritative and widely acclaimed software. After using MagFone Activation Unlocker to bypass your previous iCloud account and password, you won't struggle with the forgotten iCloud password anymore.